That's for everything else.
Ah!
That's for scaring me.
Was it always gonna be this way? Because I could get used to it.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
No, Hiccup. No one was a better Viking than you today.
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet.
Maybe.
Secure the stables! Watch every stall!
Hiccup, don't!
I have to.
This way!
See? I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh.